Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can rename or change the name of any of your files on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to rename or change the name of any of your files on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your File Explorer, since this is where you can find or access your files. And once you're on your File Explorer, next, just go to the location where the file you want to rename is saved. In my case, the file I want to rename is saved in the Downloads library, so this is where I would go. And once you're at the location, you can now find the file you want to rename. And once you've found it, just go and click it to select the file. And once the file is selected, I want you to right-click it. And then go to Properties. And here at the Properties section, you will now be able to see the file name, so you can now change it to whatever you like. Once you're done changing the file name, just click the OK button to completely save your changes. And then that's it guys, the file name will now be changed. But if you want a faster way to change your file name, I can also show it to you right now. So to do that, first, I want you to click the file you want to rename to select, just like we did earlier. And after selecting the file, next, press the F2 key in your keyboard. And after that, there it is guys, you can now enter the new file name that you want. And then that's it guys, it's done. Congratulations, your file will now be renamed just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.